Welcome to my channel IELTS Without Effort, and those who do not know me, I'm an ex-IELTS examiner and I am giving the online classes, and also the study material is available for you. Those who want, they can have the PDFs, and I'm giving individual and group classes, of course, and the evaluation for your speaking and writing is available. Now, lot of people, they are getting very good results, and even you can get these results if you are enrolled with me, and most of you are really taking advantage of these videos. Those who are here, they find that they are very useful, though some find it that they are a bit long, but then that is the actual things that happen here, that genuine things happen here. And now let's go to our question. The question today was attending a live performance, therefore that is a play or a concert or a sporting event, is more enjoyable than watching the same event, that is this, if you go and watch a play, and or a music concert, like that. To what extent you agree, disagree? So you have to tell that. So here what I have done is I have partially agreed, in the sense I have written the both sides and then I have given my opinion, right? So this is one more girl, she's got 6.5, and people are really doing well, following me and giving the exams. You can be one of them, and you can also take coaching. So live concerts, whether they feature music or sports events, have been a source of entertainment and excitement. Actually I made it बड़े कर दिए मैंने ये words ताकि आप आराम से पढ़ सको. However, with the event of, this is one girl, she's got overall 7, 8 in speaking, 7 in writing, and she's got overall 7. Okay. Event means with the coming up of television and other technological advancements, people have the option of watching these events from the comfort of their homes. In my opinion, see, this is the introduction going on. Attending live concerts, whether they feature music or sports events, is undeniably more enjoyable than watching the same event on the television. The electrifying atmosphere and the multi-sensory, means all senses are involved. I am just underlining those words which are very good. You can use it anywhere. Make the live concerts an unforgettable and captivating experience. And for those who want this reading package, it is now available for $399. People have already taken it, and it is a complete guide, right? You do not need the coaching. The real exam is included and the step by step is included. So you can avail this opportunity. Okay, now the paragraph 1. Now I will be writing in favor of the live concerts. Live concerts offer a unique and immersive experience that cannot be replicated. Through televised, means that is shown on the television broadcasts. The energy and the ambience of a live concert create an electrifying atmosphere, with the audience being swept up in the euphoria, means in that जो आप lively चीज़ वहाँ पे witness करते हो, है ना, एकदम आप you get taken by that experience. वो जो होता है ना, इतने ज़ोर ज़ोर से आप shout करते हो, and उनको you feel that vibes of the moment. Being physically present allows individuals to engage with the event on a multi-sensory level, with the ability to see the performance up close, एकदम पास से देखते हो, feel the vibration, vibes मैंने बोला था, of the music and experience the overall sensory richness. अब multi sensory की जगह मैंने sensory richness लिख दिया है. These elements, जो चीज़ें, विशेषताएं, enhance the enjoyment and foster a stronger emotional connection हो जाता है ना, to the performance. Okay, and now I am doing it against. Watching events on television provides convenience होता है and accessibility होती है to a wider audience. People can enjoy live concerts from the comfort of their homes, eliminating, है ना, the need to travel करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, or endure long. Endure means you to stand long, you know, it's very difficult. Something जो आप endure करते हो, आप उसको सहते हो. Long queues for tickets. Television broadcasts often employ advanced camera techniques होते हैं उसमें, offering close-ups, aerial shots and multi-angles होते हैं, multi-angles भी कह सकते हो, that enhance the visual experience, that accelerates the भी हो सकता है. Okay, then additionally ये मैंने यूज़ किया लिंकिंग, एक्सपर्ट कमेंट्री साथ में होती है, एंड एनालिसिस ड्यूरिंग द टेलीविजन or televised broadcast provide insights into the technical aspects of the performances, tactics employed by athletes जब sports का, cricket का, और artistic interpretation जब आप music कोई concert देखोगे या dance of musicians और dancers भी कह सकते हो. This commentary enhances the understanding and appreciation of the event, adding a layer of intellectual engagement. In conclusion, देखो मैंने कैसे लिखा है. While there are benefits of watching events on television, the unique and immersive experience of attending live, please like कर दो, एक like तो बनता है ना, और कमेंट जरूर कर देना जैसा भी आपको लगे ना. Experience of attending live concerts outweighs or outshines these advantages. The electrifying atmosphere and multisensory engagement मैंने इधर लिख दिया है, create an unforgettable ambience environment भी कह सकते हो, that television broadcast cannot fully capture, that television cannot fully capture भी हो सकता है. For me personally, see you can, where there is, ये तो personally involved हो ना आप, the joy and the emotional connection I feel when attending live concert makes it an unmatched and truly enjoyable experience. Thank you for being there and all the best, and you can check how you have fared. Thank you so much. God bless you all.